Fudge.
It's hot in here. Take your clothes off.
Turn the fan on, man. It's gonna be hot. Fudge. Put it on the amps. Why should not have anything yet?
Is it going? Yeah. Ow. That hurt.
I'm not gonna do it then. Alright, it's recording and do your dance. It's recording.
You have to do it. Okay. Okay.
I'll do your thing that you used to do. What did you do? You were like that the whole time. You were like that the whole time. Ow! Elbow.
Okay.
Hair blowing in. You have all your other shirt on. I'm trying to do backflip.
Do you think we can come over?
I don't know, maybe I should put my dad because I can't get a hold of my text. Is it Tyler?
Yeah.
Crunches! Yes, I know.
Get up from bed.
I'm calling my dad.
That's your dog, please.
We're sorry. Call failed. Retry.
That hurts. Ow, my finger's bleeding!
Is it seriously? Is it serious?
Yeah, my nail. Yeah.
Not in.
Change it!
Hold on, I'm talking because I'm calling the Faja. An automatic voice message system. 7 0 9 2 9 3 3 4 6. It's not available. Is this person? Press 1 now. At the tone, please record your message.
When you're finished recording, please
press hang up or press 1 for more options.
Oh, that's Taylor.
Thomas, this is Audrey. We were wondering if Hannah's over here because we were going to go to the game, but this is probably going to be canceled. We were wondering if we can have like a couple people come over and do like games and watch movies and all. So yeah, I think we'd text about it too. If you can't understand it, because Hannah's laying on top of me. But yeah, call me back or text me back. Bye. I'm just randomly laying on me. Lolly, lolly.
Lolly, 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 let me see you. Dang, you still don't want to touch Amy. Audrey, do your fingers. Do like. No, that was weird.
This one.
Charlie, thank you. Hold on, Audrey.
Show the camera.
I can see it.
Yeah, probably not.
Sorry.
And then my dance again, Hannah.
It's not.
This is my dance. This is my majority dance I do every day. No, oh yeah, it is. You can see it video recording in the mirror. Yeah, I can see you in the mirror.
No, it's just a random fan the whole time.
Without a pin in it. They're blowing in the wind.
Oh man.
It's a trick thing. It's gonna see it falling over.
Come see if you can see it.
No, I can now. Let me see. Barely. That's your feet.
Camouflage.
Ouch! I just fell. Wait, hold on. I want to watch.
It's not the Matrix.
I want to do it. Don't do it yet. Underwear.
Is it recording?
Yes. Ouch! Oh, that hit me in the head.
What did we eat last time?
Socks.
Where are your socks?
That'd be funny if I was out there and it saw me hit me. It looks like it's going really slow in here, but it's really going fast.
You didn't eat your socks. These aren't your socks.
Obviously. I don't know where all my socks are.
Dang it. Random underwear.
Lolly, lolly. It flew that way.
Hey! Where'd it go?
I don't know. Oh no, it's hot in her.
Some golden candy. Aw.
Caramel, you mean? There's a cool blue light on
I
here.
said golden.
Do your Charlie's Angels again.
Oh man. Okay,
Hot and so hot. Oh crap, I missed it. What song plays now?